Hey guys, what's up? Daniel here. I've got a unboxing today for you. I really don't know what is inside, but I think it can be, yes, brand new GoPro 10. What's up, what's up, what's up? Here's extra. That's a gift from GoPro. It's a 32 gigabyte card. And here is brand new GoPro 10. Alright, so let's look what is inside. Same package like I have for a GoPro 9. This is a first opening of this box. This is just the paper. And as you can see, we have a GoPro here. We have a USB to USB-C cable here, battery, some mounts with a sticker. That's the curved one. And mount for this. And here is a GoPro. Hey guys, so I finally have a time to do the unboxing of a new GoPro 10 here. This is my GoPro 9 and I just wanna try if everything fits, because I'm 100% sure that the batteries are fit, and I wanna know if the media mode fits on a number 10 too. So I will open it. I just need to use my right hand because I had an accident with my finger today. So here is GoPro 9 and media mode, and this is number 10. So I'll open it. So this is number 10. As you can see, your camera must be updated before you can use it. Alright, so we have many things to do here. Actually, I will keep this case, but I don't like the paper thing there. So this is number 10, battery, and mount. So the first thing, I will take the battery from 9. We can take these things off. I think I don't need it. So we have a battery, brand new. So let's try to put it in. Again, camera must be updated before you can use it. We can get it off. Actually, the camera comes with a 32 gigabytes card, which I will not use because I already have a 128. 128, and in this GoPro 9 I'm using you can see 256. So if I comparing same size, this one is blue, this one is white. See from a side, other side, and I don't have a door here because I'm using the media mode. So I'll take the door out too, so we can try it. Now I will plug 128 here, and I will use the existing or used battery from my GoPro 9. I don't think so. It's upside down, sorry. So it's in. First start. Yeah. GoPro. English. Yes. Green. On. Alright, so now I'll take my cell phone. Actually, I'm using my cell phone for record this video, so I will use the another cell phone to turn the quick app. Now it's searching. We found the GoPro per camera, alright. It's pairing right now. So save the name. It's already used my name. That's cool. Now connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi, alright. Now it's joining to the Wi-Fi. Here we go, we are updating the GoPro 10. It's installing the updates. It's a spinning wheel here on GoPro 10. installing. I'm so curious if they did something with the night view, because GoPro 9 is excellent through the day, but through the night it's disgusting. Still installing the updates. So here we go. Check your camera. So I hit the continue. Your Hero 10 is ready. Let's go. It's connecting. Connecting. As you can see, we have picture on a GoPro 10. So this is a GoPro, this is a cell phone. We got it.